Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the exactly right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online property service. What exactly is an online property service or a portal? This is a PropTech, and this is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours. What exactly are virtual site tours? Well, in this, we will tell you everything about the property that I'm showing you, starting from the land parcel to the number of towers to the sample flats and all that you need to know, including the amenities and the carpet areas as well. And once you've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you how can you also go ahead with the booking process. And there are also many advantages of taking a property with Property Cloud. A few of them are that, of course, we connect you directly with the developer. And also, because we are doing that, we will also give you the bottommost price and zero brokerage. Now, when I say the bottommost price, what do I mean? That means that we will give you spot payment booking options and also many other offers on your booking with us. Along with that, as I mentioned, that it is zero brokerage. So there will be no brokerage charge to you when you are buying a property with us. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a lot more here. Let's go. And here I am at Kumar, codenamed Stardom. Now, as we all know that this project is located at a very premium location that is in Hadapsar, और यहाँ से Amanora Mall, Magarpatta and even Seasons Mall is at very close proximity. Along with that, Kharadi also has great access from this place, and the Pune International Airport is also at just a 20-minute drive from here. Along with that, even the Pune railway station comes in pretty close proximity. So being in the east of Pune, this is located at a very premium location. Now, when we're talking about the location, let me also tell you a little about the land parcel and the whole project. The project is located in a total land parcel of 8.5 acres, and it will have a total of 10 towers, which will have total 30 floors, and also it will have 30 plus amenities. And the residential apartments that you can see will have a configuration of 2, 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. These are the amenities that you can already see that include the clubhouse, the kids play area, the swimming pool, the gymnasium, and also multiple more amenities that we already saw. We can already see the greens and also the tennis play areas, the tennis court, the badminton court that's already here. So after seeing all of these amenities, I'm sure now you want to see what does the apartment look from inside. Stay with me, I'm going to take you right over there. Let's go. And this is the flat from inside, which is of 1168 square feet. Now, if you notice, at the entrance itself, they have provided a video door phone for your safety and security. And here we enter into the house. Now, this foyer area and this wall specifically makes sure that you do not enter directly into the living area and no one has access to your privacy. Let's take a look inside the house over here. Once we enter the home, at the entrance itself, they've given you the kitchen so that your maids can come inside and cook and leave the house. किचन का एरिया है 7.12 by 15.1 स्क्वायर फीट और यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाते हैं ये दो ऑपोजिट प्लेस्ड ग्रेनाइट स्लैब्स. एक तो है आपका मेन किचन टेबल जो कि एंड होता है इस वेजिटेबल एंड यूटेंसिल सिंक पे, और एक है आपका ये वर्क स्टेशन. इसी के साथ साथ इसके एंड में आपको मिल जाएगा एक एनक्लोज्ड ड्राई यूटिलिटी एरिया भी, जहाँ पे आप लगा सकते हैं आपके वॉशिंग मशीन्स एंड डिश वॉशर्स. चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं इनटू द रेस्ट ऑफ द हाउस. From here, we will move into your dining and living area. Now, this they have clubbed into one single unit, which is of approximately 15.11 by 17.8 square feet. Now, because this is one single area, तो अगर आप बैठकर देख रहे हैं टीवी, तो आप खाना खाते खाते भी देख सकते हैं और मेहमानों के साथ भी देख सकते हैं. आइए और चलकर देखते हैं बैल्कनी. ये है आपकी बालकनी जो है 5.1 by 10.7 स्क्वायर फीट की. फ्लोरिंग आपको मिल जाएगी वुडन और एंटी स्किड वुडन फिनिश सिरेमिक है ये, एंड द बालकनी इज कवर्ड फ्रॉम टू साइड्स. इट कम्स विद अ टफन्ड ग्लास रेलिंग एज वेल. नाउ comes part of the bedroom. Bedrooms जो है वो दोनों साइड पर लोकेटेड है, गिविंग इट अ बटरफ्लाई कंसेप्ट होम. दोनों साइड के बेडरूम्स जो है वो मास्टर बेडरूम है और बीच में एक कॉमन रूम है. तो पहले हम देख लेते हैं एंट्रेंस वाला आपका रूम और फिर हम जाएंगे अंदर. बेडरूम में आते वक्त एक चीज जरूर नोटिस कीजिएगा, एंड दैट इज द फ्लोरिंग. द फ्लोरिंग ओवर हियर चेंजेस इनटू दिस वुडन फिनिश्ड ceramic tiles, and also This bedroom is pretty spacious. It's a rectangular one, 10.3 by 15 square feet. So what happens in this kind of a room is कि आपका बेड एक साइड में चला जाता है और आपको काफी सारी जगह मिल जाती है आपके वार्डरोब्स के लिए और स्टोरेज यूनिट्स के लिए। आइए और देखते हैं इसका अटैच टॉयलेट एंड वॉश राइट ओवर हियर आपको मिल जाएगा, जिसमें एंटी स्किड टाइल्स लगे हुए हैं, वॉल टू वॉल विट्रिफाइड टाइल्स और सीपी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स भी। उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पर एक विंडो विच विल have these invisible grills. Now because the window is very tall and it starts from a very low height, so उसकी वजह से यहाँ पर लाइट जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिलती है, लेकिन क्योंकि ये एक ओपन विंडो है तो there is also a risk because of which they have provided you these invisible grills which have some great height. They are very strong and also they're easy to clean and also they are invisible, so they look good also. चलिए अब दोबारा से चलते हैं आपके लिविंग एरिया में और आपके डाइनिंग एरिया में, ताकि हम देख सकें आपका बाकी का घर। अब यहाँ पर इन दिस आइल एरिया इज योर कॉमन एरियाज। कॉमन एरियाज मतलब कॉमन टॉयलेट और कॉमन बेडरूम। तो पहले कॉमन टॉयलेट देख लेते हैं। कॉमन टॉयलेट आपका आएगा 4.10 बाई 8.1 स्क्वायर फीट का, जिसमें कि आप देख सकते हैं फ्लोरिंग में चेंज है वेट और ड्राई एरियाज के, एंड द ड्राई वेट एरियाज की फ्लोरिंग थोड़ी अलग है बिकॉज ऑफ एंटी स्किड। अलॉन्ग विद दैट आपको मिल जाएगा सीपी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स भी। And this is the common bedroom, which is of approximately 10.2 by 10.9 square feet. And यहाँ पर भी you get the similar pattern of windows, which also come with your invisible grill outside and also a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now let's take a look into the master bedroom. While walking inside the master bedroom, you should also take a look at the flooring. जैसे कि हमने पहले वाले master bedroom में notice किया था, this one also has the same kind of a flooring, and this one is of approximately 14.5 by 10.7 square feet. And इसमें भी आपको मिल जाएगा एक attached toilet and wash right over here, जो कि है 4.10 by 8.1 square feet का. And along with that, यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएगी ये एक विंडो भी. Now this window also comes with the same kind of an invisible grill, and also it has a pre-fitted mosquito net through it. This area that you can see is for your wardrobes, or it can also be for a dresser or a workstation, that the way they have constructed it right now. अब आप सोच रहे हैं इतना खूबसूरत घर, इसकी बुकिंग प्रोसेस कैसे करें, यहाँ पर विजिट कैसे करें? What next? What next? Stay tuned with me and I'm gonna tell you what next. Until then, I'm gonna enjoy this house. Bye-bye. Now that you've seen the complete property, you need to know how do we go ahead with the booking process? It's very simple. In the captions, एक link mentioned है जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिससे कि आप register कर पाएंगे अपने आप को हमारे साथ, और फिर हमारे सेल्स पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे आपको, जिसके बेसिस पे आपको वो दिखाएंगे the whole property, and this is going to be absolutely with free pickup and drop service. That's right, you heard it. Your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service and many more advantages. If you're going to book the property with us, all you need to do is very quickly click on the site below and get yourself registered on Property Cloud. Until then, I'm going to see you very soon. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, please do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like this property. Thank you.